Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss exercise 3.2 question number 21 to 37. Welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here we are going to discuss exercise 3.2 question number 21 to 37. So let's start solving here.
Let us solve the exercise 3.2 here. 21st question. So 21 question says that if a plus 2b is equal to 5, then we have to prove that a का cube plus 8b का cube plus 30ab is equal to 125. So here we have to solve this question. So on solving, we will firstly do the whole cube of this. So a plus 2b का whole cube equal to a का cube plus 2b का cube plus 3 into a into 2b, here a plus 2b equal to a cube plus 8b cube plus 6ab, here a plus 2b. Putting the value in this equation of a plus 2b, we will get 5 ka whole square equal to a cube plus 8b cube plus here we will put 5, so we will get 30ab. So we got this as the value, and here 15 ka whole square we have to do. So here 5 ka whole square we have to do. So it is 25 equal to whole cube we have to do. So we will write it as a cube plus 8b cube plus 30ab equal to 125. Hence proved. We have to prove here that it is equal to 125. Hence proved here. Now let us solve the 22nd question, which says that if a plus 1a equal to p, prove that a cube, we have to here prove that a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to p ka square minus 3. So on solving this, firstly we will do the whole cube of this here. So a plus 1 ka whole ka cube is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3, and here a will cancel out, so we will get a plus 1a. On solving this, let us put the value here. So p cube equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3p here. So p cube minus 3p is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. So here taking p as common, we will get p square minus 3 equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. So this is hence proved here also, that a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to p square minus 3 as written here. Now let us solve the 23rd question, which says that if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 27, then we have to find the value of x minus 1 by x. To find the value of this, we will firstly find the whole square of this part. So x minus 1 by x ka whole square equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Putting the value of x square plus 1 by x square in this, we will get 27 minus 2 equal to 25. So here we will take the under root of this. So x minus 1 by x is equal to under root plus minus 25. Here x minus 1 by x from this is plus minus 5 as the value of answer of this question. Let us solve the 24th question here, which says that if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 27, then find the value of 3x cube plus 5x minus 3 by x cube minus 5 by x. So here we have to solve this. Firstly we will take common 3 and 5 here. So 3x cube minus 1 by x cube. Here we will take 5 as common, so x minus 1 by x. So we will open this with formula x minus 1 by x. Here x square plus 1 by x square plus here 1 plus 5x minus 1 by x equal to, we will take x minus 1 by x as common, so x minus 1 by x, here 3x square plus 3 by x square plus 3 plus 5 here equal to x minus 1 by x, here 3x, we will go 3 we will take as common, so x square plus 1 by x square plus 8 here, which is equal to, on putting the value of x minus x, here we will find the value of x minus 1 by x ka whole square. Firstly we will get x square plus 1 by x square minus 2, putting the value 27 by 2 we will get 25, so x minus 1 by x ki value we will get from here is under root 25 equal to plus minus 5 here. So here putting this value plus minus 5, 3 into 27 x square plus 1 by x square, as it is 27 plus 8. On solving this part, here we will get as plus minus 5. On solving we will get 81 plus 8 equal to plus minus 5 into 89 equal to plus minus 445 is the answer here in this question. The value of this is here plus minus 445. Now let us solve the 25th question of this exercise, which says that if x square plus 1 by 25x square is equal to 8 3 by 5, which is 43 by 5, then we have to find x plus 1 by 5x here. So firstly we will take the whole square here, so x plus 1 by 5x the whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by 25x square plus here 2 by 5, as this will cancel out x and x and we will get 2 into 1 by 5 equal to 2 by 5. Putting the value here 43 by 5 plus 2 by 5, we will get here 45 by 5, here we will get 9. So taking the under root of 9, we will get here the value of this as plus minus 3 as the answer in this question. Here the 26th question says that if x square plus 1 by 4x square equal to 8, then find the value of x cube plus 1 by 8x cube. So firstly we will find the whole square here of x plus 1 by 2x ka whole square. So x plus 1 by 2x ka whole square equal to x square. To find the value of this, so 1 by 4x square plus 1, putting the value 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So x plus 1 by 2x we will get from here is plus minus 3. So to solve this, we will first write it as x plus 1 by 2x ka whole cube equal to x cube plus 1 by 8x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by 2x, here x plus 1 by 2x. So we can write here plus minus 3 ka whole cube, x cube plus 1 by 8x cube plus, this will cancel out, we will get 3 by 2, here plus minus 3. So we can write it as x cube plus 1 by 8x cube equal to here plus minus 27 minus 3 by 2 plus minus 3. So we will take plus minus 3 as common here, and plus minus firstly we will take common, so we will get 27 minus 9 by 2 equal to plus minus 27 into 2 minus 9 by 2. Here we will get as plus minus 54 minus 9 divided by 2 equal to plus minus here 45 divided by 2 equal to plus minus 22 and a half is the answer in this question. Now let us solve the 27th question, which says that if a square minus 3a plus 1 equal to 0, then find the value of a square plus 1 by a square and the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube here. So firstly here we will divide it with a. So we will get a plus 1 by a equal to 3 here. So let it be the first equation. Here we will square this value to find the value of a square plus 1 by a square. So on squaring we will get a plus 1 by a ka whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. We will get 9 minus 2 equal to a square plus 1 by a square. So this is 7. Now this is the solution of the first part here. To find the solution of second part, which is a cube plus 1 by a cube, we can write it as a plus 1 by a ka whole cube equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 here a plus 1 by a. We can write it as 27 equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. Here 3 into 3 equal to 9. So 27 minus 9 equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube equal to 18 as the answer here in this question we will get. So this is the answer of second part and this is the answer of first part of 27th question. Now let us solve the 28th question, which says that if a is equal to 1 by a minus 5, then find the value of a minus 1 by a. Second is a plus 1 by a, and third is a square minus 1 by a square. So for solving this first part, we can write this as a into a minus 5 equal to 1 here. So a square minus 5a equal to 1. So we will divide this by a. We will get a minus 1 by a equal to 5. This we will use as, so this is the answer of the first part, a minus 1 by a equal to 1. This is the answer of the first part. Now second part says that we have to find the value of a plus 1 by a. So we will take the whole square of this a minus 1 by a ka whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. From this we will find the value of a square plus 1 by a square. So putting the value of 5 here, we will get 25 plus 2 equal to a square plus 1 by a square, which is equal to 27. Now we will find the value of a plus 1 by a ka whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Putting the value of a square plus 1 by a square, we will get 27 plus 2 equal to 29. So a plus 1 by a here is equal to plus minus under root 29. So this is the answer of the second part in this question. Now the third part, we have to find a square minus 1 by a square. So we can write it as a minus 1 by a and a plus 1 by a. Putting the value of a minus 1 by a and a plus 1 by a, we will get plus minus here plus 5 only. So plus 5 into plus minus under root 29 equal to plus minus 5 under root 29 is the answer of the third part of 28th question. Now let us solve the 29th question here, which says that if x plus 1 by x ka whole square is equal to 3, then find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. To find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube, firstly we will find the under root of 3. So x plus 1 by x, from here it is plus minus under root 3. This we will use to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So formula here is x plus 1 by x ka whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3, because x and x will cancel out into a and b, and here x plus 1 by x. Putting the value here, we will get plus minus under root 3 ka whole cube equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3, and here plus minus under root 3. So here it is 3 under root 3 plus minus and minus 3 under root 3 only equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. So the value is 0 here of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So this is the answer of this question, because this will here cancel out in this question. Now let us solve the 30th question, which says that if x is equal to 5 minus 2 under root 6, then find the value of under root x plus 1 by under root x here. So first of all we will take the whole square here, x plus 1 by under root x ka whole square equal to x plus 1 by x here plus 2. So we will put here the value of 1 by x. So 1 by x, from here on solving, on rationalizing this value, we will get 1 by 5 minus 2 under root 6 into 5 plus 2 under root 6, and here 5 plus 2 under root 6 equal to 5 plus 2 under root 6. Here on solving we will get 1. So this is the value of 5 plus 2 under root 6. So we will get 5 minus 2 under root 6 plus 5 plus 2 under root 6 plus 2. So this will all cancel out and we will get 12 as the answer. So then we will take the under root of 12. So we will get here 2 under root 3 as the answer here in this question. As here it is under root x, so this will be the answer in plus only. So plus 2 under root 3 is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the 31st question, which says that a plus b plus c equal to 12 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 22. Then find a square plus b square plus c square. So here we have a plus b plus c ka whole square formula. We will use a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca here. So here we have on solving 12 into 12 144, a square plus b square plus c square. Here 22 is the value, so plus 44. So 144 minus 44 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. So hence from here we will get the value here, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 100 as the answer here in this question. Let us solve the 32 question here, which says that if a plus b plus c equal to 12 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 100, then find ab plus bc plus ca here, which is a plus b plus c ka whole square, where it is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. Putting the value here, we will get 12 into 12 equal to 100, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. So 144 minus 100 equal to 2ab plus bc plus ca. Here 44 divided by 2 equal to ab plus bc plus ca. Here 22 is the answer here in this question. This is the answer here. Now let us solve the 33rd question here, which says that if a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 125 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 50, then find a plus b plus c here, which says that if a plus b plus c whole square, we will use a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca here. Putting value 125 plus 2 into 50 here equal to 125 plus 100, here 225. On taking the under root, we will get a plus b plus c equal to plus minus 15 as the answer here in this question. Let us solve the 34th question here, which says that if a plus b minus c, a plus b minus c is equal to 5 and a square plus b square is equal to plus c square equal to 29, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 29, then we have to find the value of ab minus bc minus ca here. So we will use the formula a plus b minus c ka whole square equal to a square plus b square here plus minus c square plus 2ab minus bc minus ca equal to 29 plus
2ab minus bc minus ca. Here 25. So 25 minus 29 equal to 2ab minus bc minus ca. Here minus 4 divided by 2 equal to ab minus bc minus ca. So minus 2 is the value here as the answer in this question. So this is the answer here in this question. Let us solve the 35th question here, which says that if a minus b equal to 7 and a square plus b square equal to 85, then find the value of a cube minus b cube here. So on writing this, we will get as a minus b ka whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here this is equal to 7 49 here, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and putting the value of a square we will get minus 85 minus 2ab. So we will write it at minus 36 equal to minus will be cancelled from here, and we will get 18 equal to ab. For finding the value of a cube minus b cube, we will find here a minus b ka whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, here a minus b. Putting the value we will get 49 into 7 here equal to a cube minus b cube, as we have to find the value of that. So 3 into 18 into 7. So for solving this, we will get 343 equal to a cube minus b cube. Here it is minus 378. So for solving this, we will add 343 plus 378 equal to a cube minus b cube. So this is equal to 721 equal to a cube minus b cube as the answer here in this question. The value of a cube minus b cube is equal to 721. Now let us solve the 36th question, which says that if the number x is 3 less than the number y, so it means x is equal to y minus 3, then the sum of the squares of x and y is 29, and here x square plus y square is equal to 29. Then find the product of x and y. So we have to find the product here. So we can write it as x minus y equal to minus 3 here. Now on squaring this, we will get x minus y ka whole square equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Putting the value, we will get 9, 29 minus 2xy. So 2xy is equal to 29 minus 9. Here 2xy is equal to 20. So on cancelling this, we will get xy equal to 10 here. Now we have got the answer here, xy. We have to find the product of xy, so it is equal to 10 in this question. Let us solve the 37th question here, which says that if the sum and the product of two numbers, means let the numbers be x and y, let the two numbers be x and y, and here it is x plus y is equal to 8 and x into y is equal to 15 here. To find the value of, firstly we will find the value of x cube plus y cube, we will apply the formula x plus y. Here x square plus y square minus xy. To find the value of x square plus y square, we will square it. We will get x plus y ka whole square equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy here. So 64 minus 30 equal to x square plus y square, which is equal to 34. So putting the value here 8. Now here 34 minus 15 equal to 8 into 19. So the answer here is 152 is the answer in this question. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.